Atrial fibrillation can be categorized into 4 classifications. Paroxysmal AF is defined as recurrent AF that terminates spontaneously within 7 days. Episodes of AF greater than or equal to 48 hours duration that are terminated with electrical or pharmacologic cardioversion should also be classified as paroxysmal AF. Persistent AF is recurrent AF that is sustained for 7 days. Episodes of AF greater than or equal to 48 hours duration but less than 7 days duration that are terminated with electrical or pharmacologic cardioversion should also be classified as persistent AF. Long-standing persistent AF is defined as continuous AF greater than 1 year's duration. Permanent AF refers to a group of patients for which a decision has been made not to restore or maintain sinus rhythm by any means, including catheter or surgical ablation. AF is often triggered by a focal source. Focal sources have been shown to be prevalent in the pulmonary veins in early-stage AF, but can also be found in other areas of the right and/or left atria as AF progresses. Electrical activation from a focal source propagates in a pebble-in-the-pond type pattern throughout the cardiac tissue. AF can also be maintained by different mechanisms. Myocardial stretch or fibrosis can support the presence of various mechanisms and enhances the possibility of a focal trigger to initiate AF. Stretch and fibrosis can be caused by hypertension or other comorbidities. AF can also result from the presence of multiple independent wavelets occurring simultaneously and propagating randomly throughout the left and right atria. This number of wavelets at any point in time depends on the atrial conduction velocity, refraction period, and the excitable mass of cardiac cells. A rotor is a mechanism that has been hypothesized to be either an initiator or a maintainer of AF. A rotor is a re-entrant wave that rotates around a singular point. This single circuit can be stationary or meandering, and potentially identifiable by its conduction and recovery properties. Multiple rotors may be present during AF. Ganglionated plexi are autonomic nerve bundles located in the right and left atria, thought to initiate and/or maintain AF. These nerve bundles are poorly understood and are not able to be visualized during an AF procedure, making them more difficult to fully understand. Atrial fibrillation is triggered and maintained by various mechanisms occurring in the heart. Although much has been learned about these mechanisms, they remain incompletely understood. Because of this, it is not yet possible to precisely tailor an ablation strategy to a particular mechanism in a great majority of AF patients.